Hi. Yum, yum. So, eto guys, taon ko na itong hindi nakain. Siguro ilang years na, parang 4 years or 3 years ata. Ano to, nag-order si Papa P ng Chowking. And mainit pa siya. Ay, Chowking. Hindi ko siya inaano. Ito, you want pasta? Here.
Daddy, no, I want
It's a crackling
You wanna get?
You
Okay.
like it? Try it.
What's my chicken?
You
Where's
show
your chicken?
Daddy.
This is different. This is different. This is not McDo. This is Chowking. Is this?
Dropping.
Chowking. Gravy.
Where's this one?
There's a chicken.
Ow!
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. Just wait a minute.
Is it? Yum, yum. Gusto niya yung chicken na. Gusto niya. Gusto niya kasi mga chicken and gravy. Oh, wow! Ang galing, Apiro! What are you doing?
Mommy, look.
I'm Daddy, not Mommy.
Daddy, look.
What are you doing? When did you guys learn this?
Huh? You can see it.
Yeah.
Mm.
And mommy can fit like this.
Ang hanap ko pa yung Tabasco. Nandito lang pala sa harap
How
ko.
did you open my? How did you open my phone?
He knows your password, babe. Excuse me.
Kiss
Excuse me. Wow. Ewan ko, dati gusto ko tong Chowking, like mga bago pang meet si Papa P. Pero ngayon, parang naka-oilihan na ako sa kanya. Lalo yung fried rice. What goes up?
My old one.
Hey, hey, not that club, not that club. Get that club, no.
That's expensive.
My old one. Where's my old
No, mess it
one?
up. Just get that club.
Dami na ako.
Grabe ka na? Grabe na ako.
Dami na ako.
Grabe ka na talaga. Makulit ka. Pag andito yung mga kids, ang iingay talaga nila.
Yeah, I want to.
Hindi ako masyado nakapag-share ng post kay Kendall. Kasi nag-hitbit na.
No,
Ayoko na,
that one.
nasusado ba
Yeah,
na?
you have this one. Daddy, give you this one.
What's the code?
This Coke Zero. Oh,
Hindi pa pala nakakain yung ano ko doon. Ay, nainom yung kape ko. Basta, Wala. konti lang nga.
Why konti?
Konti lang.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Baby, cheers.
wait, baby.
Your chicken daw. Wonton soup din tayo. He like Yan yung chicken na yung daddy niya.
Hi.
Brayden, umiinom siya ng milk niya. Inalik namin siya sa milk niya. Kasi di ba nag-stop nga siya ng milk. Ngayon, pares na sila ng milk ni Kendall. You're a good boy?
See, it's easy.
Very good. I feel it's easy, yeah? No need to cry. Because if you're crying, you don't make it longer. Oh, Daddy, have a chips. Where's the chips?
I'll give them to you. Yeah, he ate them all.
10:14 na din. Sobrang shadow ban ko, nakakainis.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where is it? Yeah, once you drop it on the floor.
Say good night.
Good night.
Night.
Good night.
So baka ilang years na naman bago na amin ulit yung makain ng Chowking. So ngayon, meron tayo raminagi and manonood kami ng Walking Dead na ilang beses ko nang pinapanood. Inaantay ko lang yung House of the Dragon.